In the previous tutorial, we have showed you how to create a store, but a store won't be visible unless it's populated by at least one application. So in order to upload an app, you have to be logged in as a store. You cannot upload an app as a user. So once you've created the store, select the store you want the app to be uploaded to, and I'll say my new store. This is where I want my app to be uploaded, in my new store. And as you can see, a new button appears, upload. This is visible only for stores or developers. So go ahead and click upload. You'll be taken to the first step in uploading an app. And the first step requires you to enter a name, first app, a description. This is not mandatory, but it will make your app more appealing to your customers. So go ahead and enter a description. And you are required to upload a square image of 300 by 300 pixels. Of course, you can upload a higher res image, but it has to be a square. So anything higher than 300 by 300 and square will do. Let's say this one. And to go to the next steps, you have to click Save Draft. Right now, your app status is draft, and 2 additional steps appeared. Step 2 is not mandatory, but it will make your app more compelling to your customers. So go ahead and upload a few screenshots. I'm using placeholders here, but of course you can use screenshots from your actual app. If you have a video, you can post it on YouTube or on Vimeo and link it here. I'm posting again something not relevant. So as you can see, a preview of your video will appear here. Make sure you click save, so those screenshots and video are saved. The next step is to select categories and subcategories for your app. Let's say this is a game, a puzzle game, adventure, and board. And we can select multiple categories. And also we can select multiple subcategories or genres if you want, but only up to 5 genres. Let's see, playful learning, tutorial. Right now we have 5 genres selected. If we try to click one more, we are not allowed to. That's because we reached the maximum genres possible selected, which is 5, as I said. They don't have to be all in the same category. They can be in different categories, but only up to 5 genres. Hit save, and once you did that, the last 2 steps appear. Step 4 is adding relevant text for your app. We recommend you do that. Your app will become easier to search on VR Play. So let's say this is a puzzle and adventure. Tags have to be separated by a comma. Click add. As you can see, they are already added here above. And at the last step, you should select the platform your app was created for. Let's say it's created for Oculus Rift DK2. And the operating system, let's say it's Windows 64-bit. And then select the app. I have specced mine here. Click open and then click on upload. Once you've uploaded your app, you will see that your app status is under review. It is no more draft but under review. This means that our tech team is right now notified that a new app was submitted for publishing, and once we make sure your app is the real deal and it's safe, it does not contain any viruses, we will publish it. This usually takes at most 24 hours. After the VR Play tech team reviewed my app, it should be visible in my new store where I've uploaded it, my apps, and here it is with the status published. Click on it and you can see here also that it that it is already published, so we should see it on the VRPlay homepage. Be careful that if you will click on the homepage here when you are logged as a store, you will get to your store page. In order to see the VRPlay homepage, you should be logged in as a user, so select the user, and your app will appear in new and updated apps section. Here it is, my first app. And right now visitors can see my app, can download it, can see my screenshots, and can leave comments. So congratulations for uploading your first app.